Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will be creating two cards using the springtime gnomes, and they are super sweet, and I love that Trinity finally is coming out where they're super cute gnomes in a die format. You can find these cute gnomes as very many stamps. They have a lot of them, and yeah, I have been loving them and collecting them over the years, and I'm excited to have some dies to create with as well. And these cards came together so sweet and nicely, and yeah, it was just a pleasure to work with them, and I hope this video will inspire you to create some gnomes as well. Off camera I cut all of my pieces. That was the part that I think took the most time and effort. So when you have it all done, I will go ahead and cut them all out as I did, and then you can spend some time assembling them. And when everything was cut out, it was super easy. I just looked at the packaging on how to put everything together, and you can also watch this video so you can see how everything comes together. I didn't use it's sort of 3 styles of gnomes. I used 2 of them in this video. Yeah, I just think it's super cute. So you can see the little pot of flowers here. I just put some centers with my Copic marker. You can use small dies if you like, but I used this one. And for the hands, you can see the gnome has hands, and I cut them out of some coordinating colors. So for the blue little gnome here, I cut the blue gloves out, and then I raised this up. I also raised the nose up, so that will be standing out a little bit more. I wanted some rosy cheeks. I probably should have done this before I put my beard on, but that was an afterthought, so I didn't do that. I will go ahead and embellish this one with my white gel pen. And this was the first one I created, so I put this entire one together, and then I will work on the second or the other two gnomes. And yeah, you will see all of the 3 gnomes that I created today, how they were put together. So this was the first one. I did this one in one go and the other 2 in one go. So there you can see how the first cute one turned out. And then I will go on and move on and create our second one. I'm putting on some beard here, and I don't know if you can see it, but I did some Copic markering on the edges of the beard. I will show that in our last example as well. This will be our pink gnome, and I thought I might bring in the mustache, but I didn't do that. I raised up my nose instead. I will attach my hat here. And yeah, it's so cute. Off camera I will create all of these Easter eggs, and here we have the bunny ears. You can decorate him for Christmas, or for Christmas, I can't speak today, for Easter of course. You can see they come together super nice. I used the same color of cardstock as I used on the hat for my gloves and my ears, just to tie everything together. I did some more Easter eggs off camera. You can see them there on screen. I will raise up my egg that he will carry in his arms, just so it's just a nice touch, I think. And the ears will be attached straight down. You can see it's an angle to the ears, so you know exactly where they fit. And yeah, here you can see this I did with the second beard as well. I just did some flickering motions with a gray Copic marker just to have some shades. This is something you can do also with his face. You can shade it if you like. I didn't for my projects today, but you definitely can if you want to create more of a contrast. This is our orangey peachy gnome. He's also really cute. He will also have flowers in his hands. Yeah, really cute. I will bring that hat down a little bit further. Yeah, and then we have the shoes. I will just have them peeking out behind his beard. And then we will work on our flower pot as well. I created that off camera in the same way as I did the first one. And I will attach some flowers here, And you can see I'm using the same cardstock over and over again just to tie everything together. That is something I really like when I am creating clusters like this, or multiple cards, to have the same colors and make small cluster of it, just to tie everything together. And yeah, now we can go in with a white gel pen to finish it all off. I don't know about you, but I think this really is the thing that is making this gnome come together. Without it, I think it would be looking a little bit flat, but when the white lines are there, it just looks stunning, and it looks finished and perfect. I will also do one thing after I'm done with the white marker here. I will cut out a couple of more flowers, and then I will attach them to different parts of the gnome. So for example, here on the hat, I will have a couple of flowers just because it looks cute, and I can have some more colors. Yeah. So for my sentiment, I kept this really simple. I heat embossed on top of white on black cardstock. Happy Easter. And this one's come from the He Is Risen. It's the coordinating. It's not the coordinating, but it's the die set, or sorry, the stamp set, and you just cut it out. And for our second one, you will see in a second that I will actually do some hot foiling, but now you can say I'm using press and seal just to have everything in place, and then I can go ahead and press it down to my cream colored card front here and just remove the press and seal. And of course I removed the sentiment as well, but I can just tie it in there once more. And the sentiment here is sort of grounding my image. And here the other one is, I'm just making it cool down. I used the one called Real Treasure. This one is the coordinating dies. There is a stamp set for this one as well, but this has a coordinating die and also a hot foiling plate, so I use that one. So here are our two projects. I will finish them off with some bling. This is the pooled Taffy opaque rainstones, I believe, and the rubber duck opaque rainstone embellishment mixes that I used. Okay, so this finished off our projects for today. I hope you got inspired to create some gnomes for spring, and I will have links down below to all of the products that I used in today's video. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!